it's very meaningful to us to have a person who walked on the moon. Because just think, it will be a big mark in our history. Just imagine how people will perceive it. That we, Kazakh people, had a man who walked on the moon. It will be a big day in our history. Thank you.
First of all, there are already 18 people who land in the moon and research the moon, so I guess there is no need to find the rest of it. Millions of dollars. For example, when America sent Armstrong, they spent 150 billions of dollars.
Martin Luther King said, "We are not the makers of the history, we made by history." So it means that we should remember the precedenters and the people who lived before us and treat them as respectfully and always remember what they did. They were fighting for Kazakh name, for Kazakh nation. Even though it could be expensive and difficult, but we should improve this thing.
Make a long story shorter, Kazakhstan have to improve its astronautics field to be self-developed and multiplayer. Thank you.
One minute to
Mr. Speaker, if you do what doesn't benefit your friend, it's waste of time or money. Okay, thank you.
Please set 1 minute so each team will prepare their feedbacks and give it to each other. That time we will also be able to count the scores and decide on which team won this debate. How were the debates? How are you feeling? Hey, did you like it?
Yeah, sure. Amazing experience.
Ну что за тема вообще?